As we all know, visual and performing arts is one of the subjects that our grade 7 are going to be writing at the end of their primary level, which is grade 7 examinations. And we all know that with every implementation of a new subject comes with challenges and weaknesses, and I am going to offer solutions through this YouTube channel. Hello guys, Salimonani Linjani Makadini. My name is Power N Masunga and welcome to my YouTube channel, All Things Performing Arts. So first things first, I want us to differentiate between visual arts and performing arts. What is visual arts and what is performing arts? Well, performing arts is whereby people express an opinion, emotions and feelings through a performances that is in front of a public or an audience, which is through acting, through singing and through dancing. And what is visual arts? Visual arts is whereby people express emotions and feelings through visual means, that is photography, drawing and painting. We are going to focus more on performing arts since it's one thing that I specialized in. And please do not worry, because the information that I'm going to give to you is legit and valid, because I got a first class in film and theater arts. Let's start with the genres that we have in performing arts. We have music, we have dance, and we have theater. So these are some of the genres that we'll be focusing on. Before we start our lessons, I'm going to give you an outline or the breakdown of the topics that we are going to be focusing on. So the topics that we are going to be focusing on in our book or in our lessons will be, the first one is history of arts and culture, the creative process and performance, aesthetic values and appreciation, arts and technology, and the last topic that we have is enterprise skills. So basically we have about 5 topics in our book of visual and performing arts. These are the topics that we are going to be mainly focusing on. So if you want to know more and get to know what visual and performing arts is all about, you're going to subscribe on this channel. Click the bell down so that you get the notification of the next lesson that I'm going to upload. And to our students out there, when you feel like you want to revise and you do not have enough resources, this channel is the best channel for you, because I am going to post each and every topic from ECD to grade 7. And there they go.
There they go. Southside, there they go.